Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to today's video. So today I'm going to go ahead and share with you a website that you can use to go ahead and create memes and get paid. Now this is pretty cool because not only can you create memes, you can do photos, you can write blog articles, there's lots and lots of different stuff you can do on the site, and I'll show you the site in just 1 second. So if this is the first time you're on the channel, first of all, welcome. My name is Mark and this is just one of my blogs. This one here is called Not Taught at School, and I go ahead and share videos and blog articles every single day about making money online and working from home. So if that's what you're interested in, go ahead, hit the subscribe channel and the notifications bell, and then you'll get notified every single day we upload a video. Now here on this blog, if we just scroll down here, you can see there's all these different articles about how you can make money in many different ways. On the right hand side here I've got a resources area, and you can see here we've got lots of freebies in the members area for you. There's PDFs, there's ebooks, there's courses. So all you do is put in your name, put in your email, and you'll get instant access to all of these different resources that you can look at to make some extra money online. And it covers, there's eBay stuff in there, there's Amazon, there's Shopify, there's affiliate marketing, and there's some other cool stuff, and it's free. So go put your name and your email in, you'll then get instant access to the members area here. So that's enough of that. Let's jump into today's video. So today we're looking at this site here called cracked.com. Now basically this is a humour site. They share funny articles online, they share memes, they share images, and they're always looking for people to go ahead and submit new content for them. So if we just scroll down the page a little bit here, we want you. Let me just click on here and scroll this down so we can see some more. So first of all, the first thing that they say that you can go ahead and do with them is you can go and create articles and submit articles to them, and then it gives you some examples of different articles that they have got on the website. And then if I scroll this down a bit further, you can see the articles in a bit more depth, but by all means you can click on these and go and have a read of them yourself. But it's anything to do with humour basically. So this is articles, but let me just keep scrolling down and we'll look at the memes. So here is some different images. Now these ones here are not memes, these are quite heavy on the text and images, but you can see here if you're writing bite-sized comedy, we're looking for people to create on social media. So here's a few of them, and again there's other examples here where you can go and have a look at some past images that people have uploaded on the site, and you can submit your own again. Now if we scroll down here, they have another one, they have single artist image sets. So again you can go ahead and have a look at those. But if we scroll down here, this is the one that I liked and I'm going to be covering with you in this video. It's this one here. It's this one that's just disappeared. Let me scroll back up. Let me scroll this back up for you. This one here. If you aren't up for tackling an entire image set, but you have the ability to put together images with Photoshop or whichever software, Photoshop, you can use free sites like canva.com, and then you can go ahead and you can enter these weekly contests. Now there's lots and lots of them that are going on, and the top prize is $100 in every single competition. Now the winner gets $100. So I really like this because you create your memes, you upload them on here, and like this bit here, plus you get to tell people you get paid for making memes. So if you click on here, enter the image contest, it will then take you through to this page here. Now it takes you through to this huge forum in here. Now there's all sorts of information in here. It's a bit like Reddit. If we scroll down here, you can see how you can upload your images. It gives you tutorials, it shows you how to edit your images and get paid to do it in our weekly competition, our weekly contests. And then if I scroll down here, there's all sorts on here. It takes you through exactly what you need to do, what you should be doing, the guidelines, the image size, everything basically. So there's all of these different topics in these forums, so you can go through these and you can have a look at these. And if I just scroll back to the top, let me just click on this one here. So image set pictures, so this is where you would simply go ahead and upload your meme. And then you can go into each and every week and have a look at the different competition which is going on and the different memes which have been submitted. So this is this one here. So Tuesday the 14th of August, and then it gives you this particular contest's theme. So tiny movie TV details that are very important to the story, and you can go ahead and have a look at what everyone else has submitted. So if we just scroll down here, here's an example of one, and then just keep scrolling down a bit further. Here's another one, etc. I mean, you get the idea, don't you? So yeah, lots and lots on here. Now if I scroll back up to the top here, in each topic it goes ahead and it gives you the rules and how you can go ahead and join the competition. So if I scroll here, so official rules, so this shows you exactly what you need to do and what you don't need to do. So eligible, you need to be a registered member of cracked.com. To enter, make an amusing, here we go, to enter, make an amusing image that conforms to the current theme. So the title of what the theme is of which you're going to be uploading your memes to. It then goes and shows you how long the competition will be on for. So you can see here when it's running till and when it ends. And then the prize, so the winner of the contest will receive $100. Second through to 9 runners up will receive $25 each. And then it also says down here, you can see you will be paid via PayPal at the end of the week. So that is pretty much it for today's video. I'll drop links to everything that I've mentioned below for you, but I think this is a pretty cool way to go ahead and make money creating memes. And by all means, you don't just have to use this site for creating memes. You can do articles, you can do sets like some of these ones up here. So just go ahead, have a look at the different things that are on the website, have a look at it. It's free to do, it's simple to do, it's relatively easy to do, so it's another good way you can start making some extra money working from home. So that's it, cracked.com/write for cracked. And look, don't worry, again, I'll leave a link to this website here for you. I'll also leave a link over to the forum so you can go ahead and have a look at the rules and the different ways that you can get involved with creating memes and making money working from home. So that's enough for today's video. Thank you for watching, and I shall see you tomorrow.